All right, how do I start? So I bought my wife a car. um so I think I've been blessed to have somebody in my life that has encouraged me to have all the things that I've ever wanted. I feel like it was time to give something back to her. So I got her a car. I got her a car where I think she's going to be able to maybe join me in this experience, this path that I want to take with cars, and see what it could turn into. Um, Once y'all see the car, y'all probably be like, "Well, can you have started off with something else?" Yeah, I could have, but I didn't want to. I don't want to be treating myself with really nice things and not get her something of equal or more value. I think that if you want to have a happy family, happy household, it should be pretty even. So that's what you're fixing to see, what you're going to see. And maybe later on I'll kind of tell you guys more about myself and who I am and what I do, and how I'm able to have all these things. um, but anyways, let's see, y'all want to see the car? Here it is. So y'all can see it's another Supra. This is a 1993 and a half, as they call it, Premier Edition hardtop Supra. If you are a Supra fan, you probably know how hard it is to find these cars. You can find Supras, they're pretty expensive as it is, but in order to find a hardtop, that's really hard to do. Now, this is not a perfect car. It does require a lot of work. I'll show you a walk around here in just a second, but if you're passionate about cars and you love especially these types of cars, you'll go through the trouble and all the work it takes to restore one and to make it look like and be what my other Supra is, freaking monster, and a good looking one too, if I say so myself. But yeah, so this car here, it's gonna be a long project. It's gonna be a lot of content for you guys. I'm hoping to record every single step of the way, give you guys an inside look of what it takes to restore one of these bad boys. But the interior, it needs a lot of work. I was actually, before looking for this car, I was trying to get a Skyline, an R34. I found one. I had to drive quite a bit away. I mean, it was I think it was what, 18 hours drive to get it. And the reason I didn't go for that, it was about the same price as this, but I didn't go for that because I just can't stand the fact that you can't get any of those parts here. You literally have to import everything. Yeah, no, that's just too much for me. Now, it's still somewhat of the same issue for this one. This one is actually missing the trim around the gauge cluster, and I bought it already, and I had to import it or have it shipped from Russia. Well, I guess it's not as bad of a situation, but it's pretty similar. Yeah, because you know the parts for this car are very hard to find, and that's one thing I am hoping that I have most of the stuff to put this car back together. The car was actually getting torn apart and built to be a race car, so now it's my job to put it back together, put the AC, power steering, all that stuff back, and to make it a, you know, a street car. AC, power steering, sound system, you know, everything that my other car has. Now, am I gonna fix this car to my liking? No. This is all gonna be her taste. She has already told me everything that she wants on it, what she wants it to look like, the color, lip options, wingless, rims, interior. She's told me everything that she wants. Now, I'm going to do my best to give her what he wants. It might take a little bit of time, but you know, I'll do what I can. Now, power-wise, the car's got a decent setup as it right now, but I'm hoping to work her way up to it. So my goal long term is, you know, if she could start off somewhere around 500-600 horsepower, you know, just to kind of get an understanding of, you know, power management and not being crazy on the throttle. Then later I'll try to work way up to 1,000. You know, it'll be pretty nice to say that we have you know, 2,000 horsepower Supras, or well over 2,000, should I say. Now I would like to maybe put a bigger turbo in my Supra eventually, maybe a year or two down the road. I'll swap that turbo from that one to her Supra, and I'll do something, you know, something bigger for mine, but we'll do the 76 on hers. But you never know, that's just plans. Things might change, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, this car should be pretty nice. I'm still not sure what kind of transmission she wants to go with. I don't know if she wants to do an automatic to make, you know, make it a little bit easier for her, or if she wants to do a 6-speed. I'll probably do the Granis T56 Magnum. So I'm going to record everything that I can, or not everything that I can, I'm just going to record everything that I do to the car, and hopefully I can entertain you guys. Obviously this is like a build series. I still have my Supra. I'll still do the reaction videos for you guys, POV videos, all that stuff. I got the Cobra. You guys want to see some stuff with that, we'll do that. I got this car here, my clips. You know, we could do stuff with this car as well. We could do a lot of stuff. My truck, I got more than enough vehicles to create content. It's just more of what you guys would like to see. I would love to do any of it. But at the same time, it's more of what I have the time for. I mean, I have a full-time job. I have, you know, a baby, my family. It's not like I do this for a living. I'm doing this just as a hobby, and we'll see what it turns into. But yeah, let me show you guys the car, and I hope you guys enjoy what's coming with this channel. Boosted project, man. Subscribe. It's gonna be, this is the first of many projects, I guarantee it. Yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go show you guys the car. If you guys have not already seen it yet, I'm gonna take out all the stuff from inside. There's a lot of stuff inside the car. I'm gonna take it all out. I'm gonna wash it, and you go from there. Also, I've actually had the car for a couple weeks, but I hadn't recorded anything. I haven't even washed the car. That's what it looks like crap, because I was waiting for this camera. I got the new GoPro, so I can give you guys some better footage and better audio too, because I know the reaction videos on the old GoPro, it was pretty rough. I mean, you can hear the car a lot, but you couldn't really hear us too much. So, but yeah, so just a little update on what's coming, and hope you guys enjoy this. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this stuff with your friends, anybody who may enjoy this. Yeah, I mean, see where this goes. Now to show you the inside. It's pretty rough. This is the inside. There's stuff everywhere, torn apart. Now, while you're probably thinking, why would I have bought this? Ah, it's all in the eye. It's all in what you know this will turn into. Look at that. Isn't that a mess? There's shit everywhere. It's alright though. Y'all just wait. Now for the best part. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Here it is. So the car has a Turbonetics 67 millimeter on it. You know, little cast iron manifold. You got your intercooler down there. I'm going to redo all this intercooler piping because it's probably got like 1,000 freaking clamps on here. I'll show you guys. I mean, look at that. Look how many clamps there's. It's crazy. But yeah, but this is what we're working with. I'll probably keep the stock intake manifold for now, and then later when we move her up in power, I'll change it up. I mean, but the stock one can hold quite a bit. But yeah, this is a 2JZ GT non-VVTi, you know, original turbo super motor. It's got a AEM Infinity, so we already got a pretty good platform. Motor's probably got maybe 500 miles on it. It's still actually in braking, so we're gonna have to cruise it for a little bit. But yeah, we'll see where this goes. Should be pretty fun. Alright, got all the stuff, so I gotta put all this. I'm not really sure if all this even goes in the car, but it's all this stuff I gotta put. This interior, I do all the wiring. So the wiring is like crap because they were trying to do a push start setup. I don't like that, so I'm gonna make it work with the key. There's the Infinity over there. It's a mess. There's a trunk. It's a little fuel setup he had going on here, but I don't know how long I'm gonna keep that. I want to put the regulator up front. That. Alright, so it's emptied. Now I have to wash it, vacuum it, and go from there.